Madam Chair. Just to put that on record.
Salamat, Sen. Joel. Exactly. So, inulit, no? Yung sinabi ko na sa inyo kanina, di naman kayo mai-incriminate, simpleng tanong kung sino ka. And additionally, unless hihingi pa tayo ng executive session, no? Lilipat pa kami kasama nyo sa ibang kwarto para lang masagot nyo sino ba kayo talaga or palalabasin ng chair lahat ng mga tao ito para lang mag-executive session. And I would like, and before I proceed, I just like to recognize the presence of Sen. Lawrence. Salamat, Sen. Lawrence, for your
Good morning, Madam Chair.
good morning po. Miss Alice, gusto kong ipaalala sa'yo na ayon mismo sa Korte Suprema, in the case of Office of the Court Administrator versus you, quote, the right to self-incrimination does not prohibit legitimate inquiry in non-criminal matters. So yung tanong na, sino ka ba? Ikaw ba si Guo Huaping?